Hey guys, welcome back to Kicking It with Kish and welcome back to my garden. Thank you for meeting me here. Let's go find out and see what's going on in the garden. I haven't been in the garden for a few days, so let's go see what's going on. It looks really pretty. Let me see. I got some climbers, so let's go check it out. Alright, let's see what's going on. Oh, I see one of my melons look like they're I might need to see what's going on with that one, because this whole vine looks kind of sad. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. It might be just needing some water. Hopefully nothing got a hold of it. And I'm gonna be doing some pruning to my cantaloupes. My cantaloupes look really good. What is that? Is that a bee? Hold on, do y'all see that? Is that a bee? If that is a bee, it's not doing much of anything. That's kind of weird. Hmm. That might be a bee, but I'm scared. Yeah. Let's keep an eye on him. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys something. Look, I got some cantaloupes. Look like they're coming in. I have one right here. I have a fat one right there. I wonder if that bee is dead. I'm so sorry, y'all. It hasn't moved yet. I'm scared. But and I'm gonna go around and I think I'm gonna do some pruning today. A question that I do want to ask, this is making me feel so sad, this one right here, because you can see the difference in life from one from the other. And it looks like it might be just hot. It might be just hot because I don't see anything on it. I don't see anything on it. Okay, so also my strawberries are doing well. I decided to put it in this little thing to prevent it from getting pests, and I also have some strawberries on there, and I decided to cover them up just to see if I could get them to be bigger, because my strawberries for some reason are getting like, I'm getting like the teeny tiny ones. And then also I have another pepper on it. I do not know what is eating my pepper leaves, but I also have another pepper on here. I harvested one this morning, and I left that one on just to see if it'll get bigger, sorry. And do y'all see my hibiscus? It's so pretty, oh my gosh. And the Barbados cherry tree now has some blossoms on it, some flowers. So I'm assuming I'm gonna be getting some berries soon. And my sweet potato, I don't know. I don't think I need to cut off anymore. I think I just need to leave it alone. I haven't seen any more caterpillars on it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. But yeah. Hey y'all, so wait a minute, y'all. He is still there and hasn't moved. I think something's wrong with it, but I don't want to touch it because I'm scared. I'm not gonna touch it. Oh, I have a joke for you guys. Hold on, let me flip it around so I can tell y'all this joke. So the question I had to ask was, have you guys ever I know I'm not the only one. If you laugh, it's okay. I was laughing at myself as well. Have you guys ever been in your garden and you see a bug, but you think it's a friend, and you like cheering it on, saying, "Yeah, thank you for guarding my Thank you for protecting my garden, and thank you for being here, and go ahead do your thing, and da 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 da. Yeah, I was doing all of that this morning, cheering on this bug, telling it thank you for being here, and go ahead protect the garden, and blah 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 blah. Because I was seeing some little spotty stuff on there, not eggs, and it didn't look like it was eating, but it was just a little spotty stuff. I'm gonna probably insert a clip as to what it looked like. And after finished doing that, I went to Uncle Google. Uncle Google told me that's a lady beetle, not a friend. Definitely an enemy. So yeah, I had to laugh at myself about that this morning. But otherwise than that, because I'm actually trying to see. Oh, I see where the beetle was. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like now. It wasn't looking like that before, and so I definitely would have thought it was. There it is. Hold on. Where did it go? It went under. Oh, you about to go. Do y'all see it? Yeah, that right there. Eating my stuff. You about to go. You about to go. Yes, sir. Hold on one second.